Soleti kubeke munina seed fund recipients se oke munina ne mai bulai ini no mai vengoma tik bosa ni baka bini binaka mai be buki buki ni manindia ke na bida tale na turanga mergo na ve kai ada tiko mana moni mbo baka tingu ito ko mantanga kina
Tikusangana head of the landowning units in the provinces of Teleu, in Nita City and Rewa, leaseholders and clients of TLTB, ladies and gentlemen, Bulawinaka, and a very good morning to you all. Today we mark another milestone in the expansion of the services offered by the Turkey Land Trust Board as we reopen the doors to the sub-regional office that's going to be open in a few minutes' time and bring a new slate of services to the doorstep of our landowners and our leaseholders in the Nosori area. It was 1999 when this office last served the Fijian public before it was shut down by the government at that time. I know that was a big disappointment for many who have had to make the inconvenient journey to Suva to access TLTB services for nearly 2 decades now. But today, these doors are open again. And we've been able to fund the opening of this new office because my government has put Fiji and our economy in the strong financial position to do so. This opening is only the latest in my government's concerted campaign to expand the reach of TLTB services. We expanded our land management services in Korowo to cover the Telebu North area and Raki back in 2016. We opened new TLTB offices in Singatoka and Sabu in 2017. And only a few months ago, I was in Ba, opening another new sub-regional TLTB office. 2 days ago, I was with the Fijians from Hudi village to celebrate the launch of the village strategic plan. It was an intimate gathering, and I had the chance to spend time with those Fijians and hear their dreams for what they wanted for their community. And they told me exactly how they plan to make those dreams their reality. They saw opportunity in Fiji today that inspired them to map out the development for years to come because they held such confidence in where our nation was headed and in my government's ability to help them realize their goals. It was another sign to me that Fiji today is finally on the right track. And for landowners like those in Hudi village, there has never been a better time than now to maximize your success in our growing economy. So if you are living in Bau, in Muretu, Nosori Nuku, Toka Rabu, Namata Nakelo in Teilevu, or in Utia Rewa, Burmbasanga, Novo and Riketi, or the east bank of Wenimbuku Creek, or in Baulevu, Nabuso, up to Sawani village in Nita City, I urge you to realize great opportunity for yourselves as well by accessing the services offered by this new sub-regional TLTB office. Here, our landowners will find all the services they need, including landowner consulting services and information on new programs and developments, and list distribution. This office that we're going to open is even equipped to assist with land marketing. The staff here will also strengthen the enforcement of lease terms and conditions and provide assistance with all the ins and outs of land dealings. Landowners will be able to apply for survey instructions, access lease documentation, be able to receive lease rental payments and handle registrations for the equal distribution of land monies. And when they are ready to lease their land, this office will advise them on the business side of making that happen and answer any queries and any questions they may have. And for those who want to lease land now or who are already leasing land, this office is here to serve you as well. The staff are here to help resolve any and all issues you may face. You can access applications for Itoke land lease, rent assessments, and lease renewals because you, our leaseholders, are very much clients of the TLTB as well. You deserve the same high level of service Because without good relationships with our leaseholders, there is no revenue for the TLTB and there is no financial return for our landowners. It only takes a snapshot look of the land development opportunities we have realized in Nosori already to know why the reopening of this office is so important. We've worked with landowners in Nosori to extend the Nosori Airport, develop the Millennium Subdivision, and build new housing developments and renewed leases. And like I said, that's only a glimpse into our work so far. In total, this office will serve landowners occupying 42,000 acres of land. And as I said, I only heard that only 36% of that land is currently being leased out. 36% out of 42,000 acres. When I see sets like that, I see opportunity to put land to use, opportunity for landowners to see more financial return, and opportunities to bring infrastructure, to extend services, and transform the well-being of more than and more for the Fijian people. This new office that's going to be open is going to help make all of that possible. This morning, as you have heard, I also have the privilege of launching the new TLTB website, which you can visit at www.tltb.com.fj. It is a cleaner, simpler, and more user-friendly design that will give all Fijians a far more effective online resource to obtain information and communicate directly with the TLTB. This is also the first time we've fully translated our official website into the Itaukei language to make ourselves fully accessible to all those who are seeking our service or who need to get in touch with our staff. This site is available on desktop and formatted for your mobile phones as well. So if you have a smartphone, feel free to check it out. Actually, my government has just launched a new free Wi-Fi hotspot in Nosori at Sidia Park in case you're low on data. The good news doesn't end there, because today, as part of this opening, I'm also distributing grants to the recipients of our seed fund grant initiative. Last year, we granted 131 leases to landowners and landowning units to begin agricultural-based projects. And we're now disbursing another round of funding to support those projects and help grow those businesses. This initiative gives us the best of both worlds, because we're not only financially empowering landowners by directly supporting the productive use of their land, we're also giving a boost to the food security of our communities. We're creating jobs and laying a foundation for more income-generating projects down the track. And I'm confident the small business model we're creating here will continue to grow and become an example to Fijians across the country who are interested in developing their land in similar ways down the track.
Dangilala Lomani Koro Farmer Waisea Kalumera Matthew Rabuti